Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 14. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So, if you're talking about a vertical asymptote and rational functions are in the format of a over b, and vertical asymptote is related with the denominator, the value b. So, and they're saying that the vertical asymptote is 14, x equals 14. If it is x equals 14, which means that you're going to have the expression x minus 14 in the denominator. Why? Because the reason for that is we will just solve, let me rewrite this. We will solve this given expression for 0, by making it equal to 0 for x. So then we need to add 14 to both sides. X gives you 14. So because of this, the denominator, we're looking at the choices, and we're looking for x minus 14 in it. So this neither x minus 15 nor x minus 3 is equal to x minus 14. And therefore, the choice A is not the answer. Choice B, it has x plus 14 in it, but we were looking for x minus 14. And so the denominator didn't work. And the choice C, x minus 14, x plus 1. So these x plus 1 cancels each other out. We needed that because we need the vertical asymptote only at x equals 14, not x equals negative 1. Because of that, this is the choice we're looking for. And the choice D as well, if you will look at it, we don't have x plus 14 expression in it. So we will go ahead and eliminate the choice D as well. So overall, the final answer for the specific question is choice C. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.